Conservatory Land Advanced Conservatory and Conservatory Base systems are suitable for both professional and DIY installation. This video demonstrates just how quick, clean and easy it is to install your conservatory using ConservaBase, an all-in-one modular base, floor and wall system that reduces a 3-week project down to just 2 days. Everything is delivered to site all in one go in our dedicated vehicles and trailers. ConservaBase is delivered in large, fully welded sections and the conservatory frames are delivered ready to fit. Day 1. Using the pad plan supplied, the pads are constructed by digging out just a few small holes which are then filled with either concrete or foundation blocks. The area is covered with a weed suppressing membrane, and the fully welded sections are placed in position on the pads. Each section is labelled and corresponds to the assembly instructions supplied to make things quick and easy. ConservaBase eliminates the need for builders, skips and multiple deliveries of building materials. There's no building site and no mess. It's quick, clean and simple. The sections are simply bolted together, levelled with the adjustable self-levelling feet and then bolted to the house wall. The floor insulation sheets are inserted and the moisture-resistant tongue and groove floor fixed to the base. The skirt is fixed to the edge of the base. For sloping ground conditions, extended steelwork and a deeper skirt is manufactured and supplied as needed. The floor is covered with a suitable polythene sheet to protect it from the rain whilst the conservatory is assembled. The galvanised steel modular walls are delivered with the brick slips already factory fitted and grouted. The wall sections are placed in position and are fully labelled, which correspond to the assembly instructions supplied. The wall sections are simply bolted together and fixed down securely to the base. The joints are finished with the spare brick slips, adhesive and grout, all of which is supplied with the kit. Once the grouted joints have dried, it will be completely indistinguishable from a conventional build. There is a full range of real brick and stone finishes to match any property, and free samples are available on request. ConservaBase carries a full 25-year anti-corrosion and structural integrity guarantee. ConservaBase is the modern way to easily build safe and strong foundations for conservatories and orangeries. It's quick, clean and simple. Day 2. The conservatory can now be assembled. The conservatory sill is laid on top of the walls, or in the case of a full-height frame conservatory, directly to the floor of the base. This video demonstrates the installation of a Conservatory Land conservatory onto a ConservaBase all-in-one modular base, floor and wall system. The conservatory installation is exactly the same for conventional concrete foundations with brick walls. The conservatory frames are fixed together, screwed down to the walls and fixed securely to the house wall. All corner posts, connectors and fixings are supplied. The roof ring beam is fixed on top of the conservatory frames, and once everything is square, the final fixings can be made and tightened. Starting with the wall plate, ridge and rafters, the conservatory roof is assembled and bolted to the house wall in accordance with the instructions supplied. The conservatory frames are internally glazed for maximum security by simply inserting the glass units from inside and tapping in the glazing beads. Roof-supporting tie bars are supplied, if and where needed. The roof glazing, which can be either polycarbonate or double-glazed glass units, simply sits on the rafter bars and finished with enclosure rafter covers and end caps, all of which are supplied in the kit. The roof glazing used is a Pilkington Active Blue self-cleaning solar control glass. Once the roof glazing is complete, the decorative ridge cap is fitted, followed by the gutter, downpipe and internal trims, all of which are included in every kit. All modular walls incorporate utility ports for easy installation of cables and pipes. Suitable insulation is inserted before finishing with plasterboard and skimming. An internal brick finish is also available as an option. The installation is finished and is completely indistinguishable from a conventional build. Find out more about our superb conservatory systems at conservatoryland.com and conservabase.com.